Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are looking at Jamaican curry. Now let's look at the history of curry. Curry made its way to Jamaica from India by Indian immigrants. The main ingredient in curry is turmeric, which gives it its yellow color. Turmeric has many health benefits and has been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. We will start by cutting the chicken into small pieces. Curry also contains coriander and cumin along with other spices that add their health benefits as well. Now the next step is to wash the chicken. Most Jamaicans like to use vinegar. After the chicken is washed and drained, we will add our spice. Now my favorite curry to use is Better Pack, which was made in Jamaica. Jamaicans embrace the flavors of curry and put a unique spin on it. Today, Jamaica is known for its mouth-watering fusion of flavors worldwide. Turmeric is the main ingredient in curry and is known as the golden spice. This spice has many health benefits which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is a potent antioxidant that is known to support brain health and cognitive function. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I'm not cooking without garlic. Now, I've been working in healthcare for a long time and I can say that most of our health issues stems from a poor diet. Did you know that Scotch bonnet is more than just heat? It actually has compounds that boost the immune system. One thing I like about curry is that you don't need a lot of oil to cook it, which makes it a healthy option. I like to add potato to my curry dishes, but this ingredient is optional. If you decide to add potato to the dish, make sure you cut them small because the chicken doesn't take long to cook. Now, if you've been enjoying the video, you can support the channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. I like to add some of the curry powder to the oil before I add the chicken. This dish doesn't take long to cook and all of the ingredients go in at the same time. Curry chicken is a regular go-to meal whenever I am short on time. Can you imagine that such a great tasting meal have so many health benefits? Man, curry chicken is definitely worth the effort. Stir the pot so you can get all the flavors in the meat. Now the next step is to add your water, cover your pot and let it simmer. I wish you guys could smell this through the screen. You have to check the pot and stir it periodically because you don't want it to burn. I usually add my thyme last, but you can add it before. I also add a little butter to my curry, but it can be optional. Now at this stage, the curry just needs to simmer down and reduce the water content. Once all the vegetables are cooked and you have a nice gravy, now dinner is ready to be served. Now today I'm serving my curry chicken with some lentil rice. I have a video showing you how to make that, so go check it out. And I also have some veggies on the side. Now for individuals that are short on time but wants to eat a healthy meal, this is a great choice. Took me less than 1 hour to make. Healthy can be delicious. You don't have to eat flavorless food that tastes like cardboard. You can actually eat food that you enjoy. This is so delicious. Let me know in the comments what you like to eat with your curry chicken. Now check out the view from my kitchen in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, healthy recipes.